You're watching Fox News at 9.
Investigators say the case is closed.
But now the family of the former Hollywood Park mayor killed by a donkey has gone to court to keep that investigation alive. They claim 65-year-old Bill Bohlke was murdered.
And to prove it, they asked a judge to have his body exhumed. Robert Price joins us live to explain what's expected to happen next. Robert.
Well, good evening. This is the paperwork filed in district court by the widow of former Hollywood Park Mayor Bill Bohlke. Today, her attorney argued that Bohlke's body must be exhumed since an autopsy was never performed. Tonight, he says he's confident that will finally happen.
For nearly 2 years, Bill Bohlke has been buried here at Fort Sam Houston National Cemetery. Now his family wants his body removed from this grave, if only temporarily, in the name of justice.
Finally get the answers that he deserved and that the family deserves.
The former Hollywood Park mayor was found dead on his ranch in Atascosa County back in August 2012. Investigators quickly determined he'd been kicked and trampled by this donkey. But Bohlke's wife and kids insisted he was murdered.
My dad served this country well, and he served this community well, and he deserves better than just speculation on photos.
This isn't right that the wife has to solve her own husband's murder.
They say investigators can never be sure what happened, not until there's an autopsy.
The autopsy was never performed, and we don't know why.
Atascosa County Sheriff David Soward says an autopsy was requested at the time, but the morgue was full. In a news conference last month, the sheriff said he understands the family's anger, but the case is closed.
I can't put myself in their shoes, but I can only do what our job is, and I think we've adequately done that.
Family attorney Edgardo Baez says it's time for that autopsy.
It's not a matter of if, Sheriff, it's a matter of when. The body will get exhumed, and an autopsy will be performed, and we will find out the truth.
Baez says the Bexar County medical examiner is willing to perform the autopsy. But first, one must be ordered by a justice of the peace in Atascosa County, where Bohlke was killed. To make sure that happens, the family has filed this application in district court to have the body exhumed.
Bill Bohlke's widow is requesting that his body be exhumed both for an autopsy and to collect DNA evidence. Attorneys for both the Bohlke family and Atascosa County could find out if that will happen later this month. Reporting live in Hollywood Park, Robert Price, Fox News at 9.